I'm going to explain to you the flow of a repair work order in a manufacturing facility, from the time it starts as a work request to the time it's technically closed by the maintenance technicians. Who touches the work order and why? Hey guys, I'm Ross with the RMP 24/7. We propel reliability and maintenance productivity. Before we talk about repair work order flow, let me briefly introduce work order priorities and their need dates. Usually there are 4 work order priorities based on when the repair is needed. The first work order priority is emergency repair, which is known as E-work. This is a repair that needs to be given top priority and completed now. It trumps scheduled work. The second type is urgent repair or priority 1 or P1 work. This is top priority work, but can wait few hours before it gets completed. The third type is repair that can wait days, or possibly a few weeks before it's executed. This is known as P2 or P3 work. The need date for this work is usually negotiated between operations and maintenance. The fourth type of repair is work that can wait weeks and possibly months and requires shutdown. It's usually deferred work and known as priority 4 or P4 work. Note that the person or role who assigns work order priority is an operations representative known as a gatekeeper. For emergency and urgent work repairs, the process starts with a phone call and a work request. Anyone in the organization can submit a work request in the CMMS like SAP or Maximo. The work request goes to a gatekeeper for a quick value assessment and to assign a priority to it. If the gatekeeper determines that the work request is really needed, he or she will change its status from a work request to a work order and send it to maintenance. The work order will be assigned to a work coordinator or foreman to get the material, labor, scaffolding, and etc. to do the work. Work coordinator assigns maintenance technicians to do the repairs. When the repair is technically completed, the technicians hand the paperwork to the work coordinator to close the work order. In some organizations, the work order is closed or settled by a documenter. For non-urgent repairs, or repairs that need planning, the process starts similar to emergency repairs. Work request goes to the gatekeeper, who does an assessment, assigns priority, and sends to maintenance. For non-urgent repairs, however, the gatekeeper sends the work order to the planner. When the planner completes all the planning, he or she will transfer the work order to the scheduler. The scheduler will put the work order on the schedule. The work coordinator makes sure the work is executed by the technicians. The work order is then closed similar to an emergency work order. For emergency repairs that happen off shift or off hours, for example on the weekend when the gatekeeper is not on site, operations will make a phone call to an on-call repair owner who is usually a work coordinator. The on-call work coordinator will send an on-call maintenance technician to do the repair. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like these in the future, then please subscribe and leave us a comment. Thank you.